Oh, drat! I left my dratted keys in the car. I'll have to go and get them. So, drat, an interjection. This word is a very good word. Yeah, this is an interjection that you can use when you're annoyed, but it's not very rude. Yeah, it's not like one of these other ones. You could use drat in front of your grandmother and she wouldn't get upset. Yeah, and then dratted as an adjective. Yeah, so drat. Rah! It's something you say when you're angry. When you're angry, this is something to say when something goes wrong. Yeah, drat! I forgot to send that parcel. It's still on my desk. Yeah. Um, let's see. I can think of lots of synonyms for it. Yeah, bloody hell. Or lots of other words, but drat is really good because it's mild. Yeah. Let's see. How many stars in rudeness? I don't think. I think I'm going to give it 0 stars or 1 star. Yeah, so it's not rude. It's a great word. You can use this in front of your boss. Yeah, my dratted boss has done this again. But notice, if you say my dratted boss, my bloody boss is the idea. But drat is probably less strong than my bloody boss. Okay, so drat is a really good word. It expresses anger, it expresses annoyance, frustration when things go wrong. It took me 3 hours to get home because there was a dratted accident on the M25. Yeah, you actually even have to drat as a verb, but I wouldn't use it. Yeah, the dratted dog has peed on the carpet again. Yeah, that dratted cat has knocked over the vase and broken it. Yeah, the dratted plumber hasn't come and done what he promised he'd do. Okay, let's look at the origin of this word dratted before we go on. So, drat actually comes from God rot, yeah, which was odd rat, but drat, yeah? God rot something. So you're saying, may God rot this. So God rotted. The God rotted government has increased taxes again. Yeah. So drat. Yeah. This is it's when you're annoyed, when you're irritated. Yeah. Or that dratted dog of my neighbour. Yeah, it's been digging up my plants again. Yeah, so dratted, used for emphasis. Yeah, it's time that that dratted government did something useful. Okay, so drat, yeah, is anger. It's a mild oath. Yeah, it's but it's a good one because you can use it anywhere. Yeah, so drat, dratted, drat you. Yeah, and then dratted as an adjective. That dratted man's done this again. Oh, drat! I really hate it when that happens. Okay, oh drat! I've walked mud all over the carpet. My wife's going to be furious. Now, formality. This is a good one. Drat. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 or a 4 in formality. I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. So I think you definitely use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could even use it in a semi-formal writing. I think you might even use it in a formal conversation. I'm not so happy about using it in a formal writing though. Okay, so drat, that bloody thing, that confounded, that darned, yeah, that dratted car of mine won't start, that confounded car, that bloody car, that wretched car, that dratted car. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Drat and Dratted.